Good evening. Welcome to UPSC World. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy, Director of the Institute. Today in this particular video, let us try to discuss thoughts of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on the Constitution of India. So, what he believed in the future of Indian democracy, that we will try to discuss. And this is very useful for you for the PSI or optional, because questions have come in the past on the views of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on constitutionalism. So, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar says the Constitution of India, which was enacted by the Constituent Assembly, it was workable, flexible, and strong enough to hold the country together both in peacetime and also in the time of war. And in addition to this, Ambedkar also says that we are going to enter into an era of contradictions. He says contradictions because we all know that before India's independence, both in the political, economic, and social sphere, we have inequality. Because of the constitutional safeguards, maybe in the political plane, we are going to have political equality. One man, one vote, one value. But when it comes to economic and the social sphere, we are going to witness one man not having one value. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also says that we need to have at the base of political democracy a social democracy for it to survive. Then what do you mean by social democracy? Social democracy means a life of a nation where liberty, equality, and fraternity are given a lot of importance. And he also says, without equality, liberty will result in supremacy of the few over many. And without liberty, equality will allow the domination of the few over the many. And without liberty, without fraternity, liberty and equality will not help in achieving national unity. And at the end of the day, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also says the success of a constitution depends on the people and the political parties. However good a constitution may be, those who work the constitution, if they happen to be bad, then that constitution is bound to fail. However bad a constitution may be, those who happen to work it, if they happen to be good, such a constitution is bound to succeed. And again, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also says that Indian society is basically an undemocratic society with inequality. So this man says, for us to forge as a nation with unity, we need to give up the considerations of caste, religion, and region. So a country which is divided on the lines of religion, caste, creed, and a region cannot become a nation. So if India has to become a nation with a unity among the people of different religions, different castes, and creeds, we need to forge this national unity. And if you see the experience of working the Indian Constitution in the last 75 years, to a great extent, we have achieved the goals of liberty and equality. But when it comes to fraternity, there is a lot which we need to achieve. And again, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also says that Indian democracy, if it has to survive, it has to follow the constitutional methods to achieve social and economic objectives. If methods like satyagraha, non-cooperation, and the civil obedience are increasingly resorted to, that will pose a threat to the democracy. So these are views of Dr. B. Ambedkar on Indian democracy. Thank you.